Tomatoes have many health benefits such as good for the heart, eyes, skin, digestive system, and can aid in weight loss. To ensure 100% of the seeds grow into plants, I choose old tomatoes with firm seeds to use as seedlings. To help the seeds germinate quickly, I put a little germination stimulant in the soil, then water to moisten the soil so the seeds germinate quickly. I took a paint can, cut it, and attached the ends together to grow tomatoes. I used a soda bottle as a wick to pour water. I drilled a hole to attach the wire to make a faucet. The water will flow slowly so that the plants always have moisture. I want good soil for healthy plant growth. I mix worm castings into the soil to grow plants. I poured soil down, then I put a layer of rice husks in the middle and continued to pour soil on top. Doing so will make the soil loose. that the tomatoes have sprouted, I will plant them in the prepared soil. I put kitchen waste in a bottle to compost. When the waste decomposes, it will become organic fertilizer, and from the small holes of the bottle, the fertilizer will flow into the soil and feed the plants. I added water to the vase to keep the plant moist and continued to add rooting hormone to help the plant grow faster. After a few days, when the plant has taken root, I will loosen the soil to retain water. I put kitchen waste in to continue composting. I put kitchen waste in to continue composting. At this stage, the plant is growing very quickly, so nutrients also need to be fully provided for the plant, so I will mix chicken eggs with water to water the plant. Chicken eggs are the most nutritious. This is a very important stage. The tree flowers and bears fruit, so we need to be careful of insects and molds. I mix garlic and onion water soaked for a long time to spray on the tree. It's amazing that in just 2 months the tree I planted has produced a lot of fruit. Now I will harvest them to cook. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.